Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix display brightness problem on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get started. Here I have activated my adaptive brightness feature on my Samsung Galaxy phone, and let's say that this feature can't work well as I want. So maybe if this feature can't work well, there is a problem with our sensor on our Samsung Galaxy phone, and I'm going to show you how we can fix the sensor problem. We can go back to the setting and we have to go to the device care, this one guys, and you can choose the diagnostics. Okay, and we have to choose the phone diagnostics, and since we want to fix the sensor problem, we can test the sensor function on this menu. We can choose sensor right here. You just need to click on it to test the sensor function. Okay, and the checking process is running right now, and we have to wait until the checking process has completed. Okay, and this is the result. My sensor is normal, and if there is a problem with your sensor, you can fix it right here. Or if you are not satisfied with the result, you can run the test again. You just need to click on test again. However, guys, if you don't have the phone diagnostic feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you can still fix the brightness problem. You can just restart your phone, and after you restart your phone, I hope your display brightness problem will be fixed. Alright guys, and that's how we can fix display brightness problem on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.